Today we are going to demonstrate how to install a replacement top squeegee edge on a 38-inch SnowPusherLite. You will need a hair dryer as well as window cleaner to make the installation go smoothly. Find a workspace to set the SnowPusher on. It may also help to prop the handle up off the ground using a chair back or bar stool. Start by looking at the direction in which the original squeegee is installed on the blade and lay out the replacement in the same direction. Remove the original squeegee by peeling it up from one end and working it off the length of the blade. Next, take a towel and some window cleaner to clean and lubricate the blade to make the installation a little easier. Do not use an oil-based product. Heat the complete replacement squeegee for several minutes with a hairdryer to make it pliable enough to be pushed down onto the blade. Next, align the squeegee at one end of the blade and roll the edge of the squeegee onto the blade a couple of inches at a time until you have fully installed the new part. Using your fingertips, pull down on the edge of the squeegee to ensure that it has been seated all the way onto the blade. You have now finished the installation of a top squeegee edge on your SnowPusherLite.